Hi everyone, I want to welcome you back to my channel, Zodicatthefarm, where I create these gorgeous garden glass flowers and more. I know I'm late. I've had like a really exciting month this year. I actually met someone by the name of John, and so he's been taking me places, and we've been having a lot of fun. So anyway, but I am back at it, and we're going to be making this gorgeous flower. So I just want you to go get something to drink and then come back, and we're going to be making this 3-piece ensemble. Okay, so I hope that you will stay with me, because I'm going to give you my tips from A to Z on how I create these gorgeous garden glass flowers for your home or for your garden. Hi guys, I'm at my drill press station, and I've got my piece of glass set here. Now I've got it set on a piece of tape, and I'm just going to use that as my stabilizer. Okay. And I'm using a diamond tip bit right here, and I also have my water. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that my diamond tip bit is tightened up, so I'm going to make sure I tighten up the chuck. I'll put that back. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of water right here. Okay, and this helps to loosen the sediment in the glass. Okay, and then I'm going to bring the press down, make sure I've got it centered. Just like that. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so here we are. There's the hole. Okay, perfectly centered. And okay, so now we're going to move. Now we're going to go back to the assembly station and get ready to put all these together. All right, see you soon. Just as information, I have already cut this particular piece in a prior video, so you can go back and watch a video that's very similar to this. I did use this, I believe, with my drill press. I may have used a regular drill, I don't remember, but this piece has already been cut. And then this orb, okay, this is a gorgeous orb that I actually got off Amazon, and I already used a larger glass drill bit and put that hole in there. Okay, and this is the orb that'll finish it off. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring this camera down so you can see how I assembled this lovely glass flower. All right, hold on. Here I am, and let me get some of this stuff out of the way. I've got my larger petal right here, and then I just cut this red petal. All right, this is a gorgeous petal. I just love this so much. I think I got this off of the marketplace, or it may have been even Goodwill. I don't recall correctly, but anyways, that one's going to sit right there in the middle, and then I've got the orb, okay, to finish off this gorgeous piece. All right, so let me take everything apart, and the first thing that I always do is, again, wipe everything down. And then I'm gonna start with my first supporting plate. I'm gonna take my toggle bolt, just put this down for a second, take this toggle bolt and stick that toggle straight through. Then I'm gonna take a washer. I'm gonna go ahead and put the washer there, and then stick that straight through just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna carefully turn the flower over. and I'm going to take another washer and place that washer right over that bolt. And then I'm going to take this piece and place it just like that. Then I'm going to take another washer and place that washer straight like that. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to take my 3/16 toggle bolt and proceed to screw this in. I want to give a shout out to a really close person in my life. His name is John. And I just want to tell you, John, that I'm thinking about you today as I'm making this flower. Okay, all right, so the toggle is in place. All right, and now I'm going to take my orb, okay, and I'm going to set this down very carefully. I'm going to take this orb, and I'm going to, let me pull this back up just a little bit, but I'm going to take that straight in until it clips in. And I'm going to try and pull it back out, and you can see as I pull it back out, it's grabbed that orb, okay? And then I'm going to turn this over on its back very carefully, and I'm going to grab my screwdriver and I'm going to proceed to tighten this flower down. Okay, and I'm holding the orb on the back side so that I know that orb is being secured evenly parallel to the rest of the pieces. And I usually have my electric screwdriver, but once again, everything's been packed up because of the storm. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's a Sunday. It's the end of January. It's a beautiful day out here in Punta Gorda, Florida. I hope you guys are having great weather where you're at. Okay, so I'm just continuing to tighten it down. I'm holding the ball on the other side to create resistance so that the toggle will continue to tighten. And as you can see, it's really starting to establish itself now. And this is where you want to be careful because you're going to tighten slower. You want to make sure it's tight, but that you don't break the pieces. Okay, I'm going to just give it a quick check. Okay, and I'm just going to loosen just a bit so I can adjust. Because you want to adjust when it's loose. You don't want to adjust when it's tight because you'll break the glass. Then you can come back and adjust. Okay. All right, let me turn it around so you can see it. So, yes, this is, right here, this is one piece, two pieces, and then the orb to tie it in. And then let me turn this around so you can see the stand. Now, if you were mounting this just indoors, you wouldn't need the stand because you'd have the bolt, okay? But for those of you who want to hang it outside, you can certainly put the stand on. And then let me show you what the stand looks like. All right, yeah, so here we go. So this is a hibiscus type outdoor flower or indoor flower. I love how the colors definitely all integrate. It sits beautifully on this stand. And then you can see it from the rear. This is a really heavy stand, so this will support this one quite well. But what a beautiful piece to brighten up like any just really neat back lanai, or your patio, you know, or at your front door. It's just gorgeous. I love these glass flowers. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this particular episode. If you ever have any questions whatsoever with regards to anything that I do during this video, don't hesitate to email me at my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. And you can also leave your comments in the comments section below. I always love hearing your comments. So I hope you have a blessed week. A blessed Sunday today, the end of the week. I hope another shout out for John that I'm praying that the 49ers are going to win. So anyways, I hope everybody has a blessed week, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodici at the Farm. Many blessings sent your way. All right, here it is. My January flower, even though I'm late, I'm sorry. Anyways, see you later. Take care. Be safe. Many blessings. Bye-bye.